equation of circumcircle of the triangle formed by the lines 2x plus y equal to 4, x plus y equal to 6 and x plus 2y equal to 5. This is the triangle. 1, 2, 3 equations are represented by AB, BC, AC. By solving 1 and 3, 1 and 2 first, these two. 1 and 2 if you solve, we will get B coordinates as minus 2, 8. How to solve those two? 2x plus y equal to 4, x plus y equal to 6. Subtracting y cancelled, x equal to minus 2. By substituting x value in this one, minus 2 plus y equal to how much? 8. And in the same way, take up 1 and 3. First equation is to be multiplied by 2. 4x plus 2y equal to 8. Third equation, x plus 2y equal to 5. Subtract 4x minus x, 3x, 2y cancel, 3. Then x equal to 1. 2 into 1, substituting 2 into 1 plus y equal to 4. Y equal to how much, sir? 2. So, A coordinates 1, 2 we got. Then 1 and 3 we have taken now. 1 and 2 also we have taken. So, let us take up 2 and 3. Second equation, x plus y equal to 6. Third equation, x plus 2y equal to 5. Subtract minus y equal to 1, y equal to minus 1. X minus 1 equal to 6, x equal to 7. C value 7 minus 1. As we are supposed to find out the equation of the circle passing through these 3 points. Let us assume the equation of the circle as x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Since it is passing through 1, 2, 2g plus 4f plus c equal to minus 5. Minus 2, 8. Minus 4g plus 16f plus c equal to minus 68. And it is passing through 7 minus 1, 14g minus 2f plus c equal to minus 50. By solving these 3 equations using the method of solving simultaneous equations which you have learned in your earlier classes, that means by taking 1 and 2 and 2 and 3, eliminating one constant, you will be getting 2 equations in terms of 2 variables. By solving those 2, we will get g value as minus 17 by 2, f value as minus 19 by 2, c value as 50. Let us substitute g, f, c values in the above equation. What you will get is x square plus y square minus 17x minus 19y plus 50 equal to 0. That is required equation of the circle or equation of required circle, or in other words, equation of circumcircle formed by the triangle whose sides are represented by the equations 1, 2, 3. The equation of tangent to the circle at the given point. Here the meaning of the problem is find the equation of tangent to the circle means circle equation is given, that is inherent meaning. At the given point, in addition to that one, at one particular point on the circle, we are supposed to find out equation of tangent. Then what to do? Let us draw the diagram. If this is the circle and point is 7 minus 5, circle equation x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Equation of tangent. Equation of tangent. What is the formula? Xx1 plus yy1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. Here x1 y1 coordinates are 7 minus 5. Circle equation is x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. So let us apply that one. This only we will name as S1. X1 7x, y1 5y plus g means minus 3 into x plus 7. F 2 into y minus 5 plus c minus 12 equal to 0. 7x minus 3x 4x minus 5y plus 2y minus 3y minus 21 minus 10 minus 31 minus 12 minus 43 equal to 0. That is equation of the circle, equation of the tangent. 7x minus 3x. How did you obtain 3 here? Half of x coefficient will be your g. Half of y coefficient will be f. Constant will not have any change. Therefore, when substituting 7x minus 5y minus half of this 3 into x plus 7 plus 2 into y minus 5 minus 12 equal to 0. 7x minus 3x 4x minus 5y plus 2y minus 3y minus 21 minus 10 minus 31 minus 12 minus 43 equal to 0. That is equation of tangent. In this model, I will give you two problems. First one is circle equation. I'll write down here. X square plus y square minus 6x. X square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y minus 39 equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y minus 39 equal to 0, and the point coordinates are minus 6 minus 9. Find the equation of tangent. Equation of tangent. Second one, in the same model, second one is circle equation x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 11. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 11 equal to 0. And the given point is 3, 4. Find the equation of tangent. Find the equation of tangent. These two problems you take as homework. Find the equation of normal to the circle at the given point. Here, circle equation is x square plus y square plus x plus y minus 24 equal to 0, and given point is 3 comma minus 4. Suppose if you draw the diagram, this is the circle, and let us take up, here is the point 3 minus 4. This is the tangent. Line perpendicular to tangent at point of contact is line perpendicular to tangent at point of contact is normal. There is a principle, every normal passes through center of the circle. So one point is given already, center coordinates. What are the coordinates of center? Minus g minus f, that is minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Slope of Cp. M equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 4 by minus 1 by 2 minus 3. 4 2s are 8 minus 1, 7 by 2 minus 7 by 2, that is minus 1. Equation of normal. Equation of normal. What is equation of normal? Y minus y1 equal to m into y minus y1 equal to m1 into x minus x1. That is y minus y1, y minus 4, y plus 4 equal to m1 minus 1 into x minus 3, x plus y plus 4 minus 3 equal to 0. Finally, after simplifying this one, the equation of normal will be x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. X plus y plus 1 equal to 0. That is equation of normal. I repeat, here the circle equation is given as x square plus y square plus x plus y minus 24 equal to 0. Given point is 3 minus 4. Let us take up the equation of normal. First of all, I determined the center. Coordinates are minus g minus f. G means half of x coefficient, f means half of y coefficient. Point 3 minus 4. Slope of Cp y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Therefore, by applying the formula minus 1 by 2 minus into minus plus 4 by minus 1 by 2 minus 3 minus 7 by 2. Slope is minus 1. Equation of normal y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. By applying that formula, y minus y1, y plus 4 equal to 1 into x minus 3. Take one side, minus x to left hand side plus x plus y plus 4 minus into minus plus, take that one to left side, it becomes minus. X plus y plus 1 equal to 0. That is equation of normal. In this model, you take two more problems as homework. Those two are circle equations and points. I will write down here. You try to work out those ones. Circle equation is x square plus y square minus 10x minus 2y plus 6 equal to 0. Point is 3, 5. And second problem, s equal to x square plus y square minus 22x minus 4y equal to 0. P 1, 2. Find equation of normal to the circle. Length of chord. Next model is length of chord of the circle. Here in this, circle equation will be given to you. Sometimes chord equation also will be given to you. Then we have to find out the length of that particular chord. Then how to find out? Our first problem, x square minus x y minus 22 equal to 0. Y minus 3 equal to 0. That is nothing but our chord. What is its length? If you draw the diagram, this is equation of the chord given x minus y minus 3 equal to 0. Then to find out length of the chord, the steps are number 1 center, comma radius. Number 2 CP, perpendicular length. Connect these 2 points also. Then AP length equal to root R square minus CP. Fourth one, length of the chord AB is equal to 2 root R square minus CP square. 2 root R square minus CP square. This is the procedure. Let us apply these steps one by one and we shall get the required length of chord related to this. Here you see center coordinates C minus G minus F. Minus G minus F center coordinates are 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Half of x coefficient, half of y coefficient by change of symbol. Now radius formula root of g square plus f square minus c. Root of 1 by 4, 9 by 4 minus c. What is minus c, sir? Minus into minus plus 22. G value you know, f value you know. C is minus 22. That's what I applied. Root 1 plus 9, 10 by 98 by 4 under root 49 by 2 under root, that is 7 by root 2. R equal to 7 by root 2. CP, perpendicular distance of a point from the line, modulus of AX1 plus BY1 plus C by root A square plus B square. Modulus of AX1 plus BY1 plus C. What are the coordinates of center? 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Substitute in this. Modulus of 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 minus 3 divided by root of 1 plus 1. 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2, 4 by 2, that is 2. 2 minus 3 minus 1, 1 by root 2. CP equal to modulus of AP. What is meant by AP? This part. By using Pythagoras theorem, root of R square minus CP square. R is diagonal and CP is one side. What is R square, sir? Here we got 49 by 2 minus CP square 1 by 2. 48 by 2 after simplification root 24, that is 2 root 6. Then length of the chord, AB equal to 2 into mod AP, which is equal to 4 root 6 units. 2 into mod AP, which is equal to 4 root 6 units. Total. If the equation of the circle is S equal to x square plus y square minus 8x minus 2y minus 8 equal to 0, and the equation of the line is x plus y plus 1 equal to 0, then find the length of the chord. Find the length of the chord. That is our homework problem. Next, another one. Find the equation of the circle. Next problem is find the equation of the circle. Equation of the circle whose center is minus 3, 4 and touching y-axis whose center is minus 3, 4 and touching y-axis. Telugulo minus 3, 4 కేంద్రముగా కలిగి y అక్షాన్ని స్పృశించే వృత్త సమీకరణం minus 3 axis. What is equation of the circle? What is equation of the circle? Here center we know minus 3, 4. If you just find out radius, you can get equation of the circle. How to find out radius? R equal to CP. There is a fundamental principle, distance of a point from y-axis. Distance of a point from y-axis is always its x-coordinate. This is y-axis, this is the point. Distance is always represented by means of x-coordinate. What is its x-coordinate? 3. CP equal to 3. Therefore, equation of the circle. Equation of the circle. X minus a whole square, y minus b whole square equal to r square. X minus a whole square, 3 whole square, y minus 4 whole square equal to r square is 9. X square plus y square plus 6x plus minus 8y plus 9 plus 16, 25 minus 9. Final equation will be x square plus y square plus 6x minus 8y plus 16 equal to 0. Here, if you just remember the definition of x coordinate and y coordinate, distance of a point from y-axis is nothing but its x coordinate. You may ask, sir, why are you writing plus 3 when we are already having minus 3 here as x coordinate? Because distance can never be negative. That's why we will represent by means of positive number only. This is representing perpendicular distance. At the same time, this itself will represent radius also. Therefore, equation of the circle is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equal to r square. What is r, sir? 3. 3 square 9. After simplification, we got this equation, that is our final answer. X square plus y square plus 6x minus 8y plus 16 equal to 0.